Pancreatic cancer faces new hope with promising mRNA vaccine trials.
I know y'all gonna be like, oh my God, Aki, today this show is so boring. This is really not, y'all. This is really important, y'all. Another mRNA vaccine is out. And I don't want to hear y'all saying nothing about, I'm not taking no shots for this, I'm not taking no shots for that. Because you know that's what these people gonna say. But guess what, mommy? They all screaming when the COVID shot came out to get rid of COVID. They were all like, it's something in the COVID shot that's going to be killing people. Y'all shouldn't be doing that. Don't do this. Don't do that. But guess what? Soon as they came out with Ozempic for y'all motherfuckers to lose weight, y'all all at home giving yourselves that shot and y'all ain't questioning what's in that shit at all, period. So when I tell this story, I want to be able to tell it with impunity, okay? Which means none of y'all say shit to me about this. Y'all, another mRNA vaccine is out for pancreatic cancer. If y'all know anything about pancreatic cancer, it's one of the most aggressive cancers. Pretty much, if you don't catch it in stage 1, you're not gonna make it, and it happens really fast. The cancer. It says pancreatic cancer mRNA vaccine shows lasting results in early trial. Now, from what I know about this vaccine right here, you have to already have pancreatic cancer in order for them to use the vaccine. Now, if you know anything about vaccines, you know they take a part of the disease to make your body start attacking that particular thing. That's how they make the vaccine. Well, with the cancer, you have to have the cancer, which is the disease. Then they take that and make the vaccine with that and re-inject it into your body so that those cells can start attacking the cancer cells. It says the vaccines work as a type of so-called immunotherapy, harnessing a person's immune system to fight cancer cells. The goal is not to eliminate existing tumors, but instead to stamp out lingering undetected cancer cells. You know what they call it, metastatic cancer, when your cancer spreads all over your body. So in other words, it's creating hunters in your blood system that's going to hunt down those cells that might be spreading the cancer throughout your body and getting rid of those. Lingering undetected cancer cells, and later any new cells that form before they can cause a recurrence. Patients still have to have surgery to remove tumors. After that, the mRNA vaccines are personalized for each individual using genetic material taken from their unique tumor cells. In a clinical trial, after getting the vaccine, the patients also received chemotherapy, which is standard post-op treatment for operable pancreatic cancer. Yeah, I don't know how boring y'all think this is, but this is exciting. This is exciting. Says traditional immunotherapies can be very effective, but they only work in about 20% of all cancer patients, leaving the majority of cancers without immune-based treatment, said Dr. Vinod Blakadarian, director of the Olan Center for Cancer Vaccines and Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center in New York City, who is leading the trial. Gustav Stefan joined. It says pancreatic cancer is the poster child of these difficult-to-treat cancers, the doctor said, and experts have long believed that people with pancreatic cancer cannot generate an immune response against tumors. But after 9 doses of personalized vaccine, Gustafson is one of 8 people in the 16-person phase 1 trial who did just that, producing an army of immune cells that called T cells to seek out and destroy tumor cells. That's good, right? Why you sitting here looking like, yeah, that is good. Yeah, and that, like I said before, prostate cancer is one of the hardest cancers for them to get rid of. So I'm thinking if this is successful with pancreatic cancer, could you imagine what this could do for breast cancer and what it could do for other cancers that people have, colon cancer and all that kind of stuff like that, bone cancer and everything? Because if they can get this to work with this, we're in a good place for cancer research and everything like that. And I don't want to hear y'all talking about some mRNA. I don't want to hear y'all keep your comments to yourself when it comes to mRNA, okay? Oh God, mommy, please don't ask me this.
Oh, come on, cat.
It says the doctor and his team published the results of the phase 1 clinical trial last year. At the time, the patients, all of whom had early stage disease before they joined the trial, had only been tracked for just over 3 years. And it was 3 years with pancreatic cancer is a long time. Because pancreatic cancer be like, listen, I'm ready to all of us to go bye. And it was unclear whether the immune response would last and lead to the patients living longer, he said. New data collected during the trial's 6-year follow-up period shows that in May, those findings will still be presented Monday at the American Association for Cancer Research and annual meeting in San Diego. I'm really proud of that for our country and for the people who have cancer. I'm happy for you guys. Of course, nobody gets a slam in this story. And again, if you got anything to say about this mRNA, bye, is all I got to say. Oh, goodness, y'all. Oh, Lord.
But I ain't one to gossip, so you ain't heard that from me.
Sitting here waiting at the door, yeah. 1942, 1942. Sitting here waiting on you, yeah. Just waiting on you, just waiting. Nights that I'm spending all alone. Been waiting for you to walk through the door. Rockin' designer, Gucci attire with the Louboutin heels. Little shawty dressed up, she style.